Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new here, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel because that is going to make me really happy. So as you guys know from today's title that I am going to try a moisturizer which is from Cetaphil, and you guys must be wondering why I'm trying this, because I have tried this for the first time in my life, and that's the reason I'm going to give you guys a review about this product. And this product is a hype because as you guys know from the today's video title that I'm going to try a moisturizer which is from a brand called Cetaphil. Now this brand is used by many YouTubers. Recently I have seen a lot of videos on this brand, like so many YouTubers use this one, and a lot of influencers also talk about this product, and that's the reason I decided to use this, try this, and then give a review to you guys. So I've been using this from 6 days now, and I wanted to give you guys review about this product. So this product is from Cetaphil, and this is Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion, which is for 195, and this is a smaller one which I have purchased. Now why I have purchased the smaller one, because I wanted to give it a try. If it really works for me, then only I will purchase a bigger one, because why to waste money? If it works on you, if it is really good, then only go for a bigger one. Same thing I will advise you guys, if you are going for something and it's new for you and you want to give it a try, you should always go for a smaller range. And I liked one thing about this is that they had smaller range in this one, and that's the reason I have purchased this, because the other ones are like 400 and above, like 800. The bigger one, the moisturizers with big containers was around 800, 900 or something, and they have very big range as well. Now there are different products which is like skin cleanser. Okay, this is for gentle skin cleanser, which is for dry skin, and oily skin cleanser, which is for oily skin. Sorry. So there are two types of cleansers, which is how to use it is you can use it as your face wash. You can apply it on your face and wash your face, or else you can use it to cleanse your face, remove your makeup. Once you're done with it, you can remove your makeup as well with the cleanser. Now this is not a cleanser. This is it looks like this from inside. It is a small tube from Cetaphil, which is very cute one, and I like it. The product, it's very nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this on my face now and then talk about it, because I have been using this now from many days, and I will be talking about it so that you guys also come to know what the product actually does. First thing I'm going to do is apply this on my face, and as I told you, I will talk about this product. Also there are different products, lotion and creams and moisturizers from this brand Cetaphil, and I hope I'm pronouncing it right. If not, then please let me know in the comment section. Okay, so let's apply this on our face. So before I apply this, I'm going to use rose water on my face. I have washed my face with face wash already, so I'm using rose water on my face. If you guys are wondering if I have applied makeup, then no, I have not applied any makeup. There is nothing on the tissue, no makeup, so I have not applied any makeup. I have just applied lipstick because your girl loves lipstick and it looks presentable, so I had to apply lipstick. So yeah, so we are done with applying rose water, and now we're going to use this moisturizer. I'm going to take very small small quantity and show you guys. It's very thick. It's not very thick. It's thick and not very thin also. Best thing about this is it's so light on your face, and it absorbs so well. Like I have taken so small quantity of it, but it's enough for my face. I still have it here so that I can apply it here. Now what this product actually does, so now I have been using this after face wash. I apply this every night before bed, and what changes I have seen is, like, I have lot of dark circle. You guys can see I have lot of dark circle. So right now it's not visible because of the lighting, but I have lot of dark circle. And you know, this product actually made my dark circle little bit lighter, and it's just been 6 to 5 days, I don't even remember, and it has worked for me. And if you guys also have such spots on face or dark circle or any patches near your mouth, then you can definitely go for this one. You can use this product. I mean, you can purchase a smaller one, and you know, it moisturizes skin so well. You don't even need any other moisturizer, and you can use this as night cream also, so it is all in one. So if you're searching for something which is very light and very nice, then go for this one. I will suggest you that go for a smaller one, because if it works for you, then only go for a bigger one. Directly don't purchase a bigger one. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys did, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and help me to grow, because your girl needs to grow. So please help me to grow, okay? And till then, goodbye. I will see you guys in another video.